Hello everyone, I Piyush Shakya welcome you all to this video where we will dive into an essential topic of IWT container tags in HTML. Before jumping into container tags, let me quickly explain how HTML works. HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is of the foundation of any web page. It provides the structure and tells the browser how to display content. HTML uses tags to define elements, and these tags comes into types. First, self-closing tags. Second, container tags. Today, we will focus on container tags because they are the backbone of organizing web page content. So what are container tags? Container tags in HTML wrap content with an opening tags and a closing tags. So the container tags are used to combine the data within opening text and closing text. Opening tags consist of angular brackets, and within angular bracket there is a tag name. And closing tag consists of angular bracket, and within angular bracket there is a tag name with forward slash. And the opening tag and closing tag are used to combine the data. The purpose of using container tags are provide semantic meanings. This means the tags explain what the content is about. For example, if we are using h1 tags, so it means that we are using headings in our web page. Second, organizing web page layout. It helps to arrange the page neatly, like organizing furniture in a room. Third, enable CSS JavaScript styling. These tags made it easier to apply designs using CSS or interactive feature using JavaScript. Now, the first container tag is heading tags. The purpose of heading tag is to define headings from most important h1 to least important h6. In HTML, the heading tags consist of 6 types, from h1 to h6. So let's take example. Here we include h1 tags to h16 tags in our web page. So we can see that the basic difference between these tags is of size. Here we can see that the size of heading 1 is greater than size of heading 2. The size of heading 2 is greater than size of heading 3, and so on. So the main and basic difference between all the heading tag is of size. We can mainly use h1 tags. H1 tag is for our main headings, h2 is for subheading, and so on. So next container tag are headers and footers. Headers are used at the top of the web page, and it is used for introductory content and commonly includes a logo, title, or navigations. And footer is used at the page's bottom for copyright or content information. Let's see example. Here we include header tags, and within header tag we include a navigation, and at the bottom we include footer, and between header and footer there is a main part. So we can see that on web page it looks like that. In yellow part at the top there is a header, in bottom with golden part there is a footer, and with blue there is a main content. And the header and footer both are the block level container. Now third container tags are division and span tags. Division is a block level container, and it is used to group elements for styling or layout. And span is an inline container which style used to style a small part of the container. So here we can see that term block level container and inline container. So the difference between block container and inline container is that the block container use 100% of the width, but a span only contains the width which is required. So here we can see example. Here we are using one div tag and one span tag. So we can see that the difference between division and span tag is that the division tag using 100% of its width, which are representing in red, and the span tag using only the width which is necessary. So this is the basic difference between division tag and span tag. Then the span tag is used to style the small part which is required. Now fourth, section and articles. The section tag is used to group related content. The section tag is used to combine the related content data within a web page. An article tag is used to represent a standalone content. It is used to represent the individual content, likes, blog, and posts. Fifth container tag is aside. The purpose of aside tag is to hold tangentially related contents like sidebars or ads. The aside tags are used within a web page which includes the additional information about the content, like which are represented in sidebars or advertisements. Here we can see the example that there is a web page which contain the header part at the top, and inside the header there is a navigation bar, and at the bottom there is a footer, and within header and footer there is a main content, and within a main content there is an article which contains the related informations, and in the right side we can see that there is a side which contain additional information about the content, about the main content, which includes links related articles. Now sixth container tag list. List is the very important container tag, and it is used everywhere in HTML. There are two types of list. First is unordered list, and second one is ordered list. The purpose of using unordered list is used to create a list where the order of the item does not matter. It displays the items with bullets by default. The structure of unordered list is using first unordered list UL tag which wraps the entire list, and li tag which defines each items. And the ordered list, the purpose of using ordered list is used to create a list where the order of items matters. It displays the list items with number by default. The structure of ordered list is OL tag. First we use OL tags which wraps the entire list, and second li tag which defines each items. Let's look at example. Here we are make two lists, first unordered list and second ordered list. In unordered list, first we start with UL tags and then we use li tags. In ordered list, we first use OL tag and then li tag. Now we see the basic difference between them. Here we can see that the unordered list will define by using bullet points, and unordered list is defined by using numbers. So the unordered list is used when the order is not a matter, and ordered list is used when the order is matter. Now seven container tag, table tags. It is also the most important tags in HTML. The purpose of using table tags is to display data in rows and columns. Here, see the example. There is a table tag which start with table, and inside the table there is a t-head tag which means table heading, inside which we are using tr for making rows and th for inserting columns and data. Then we are using t-body tags, and inside t-body we are inserting more rows and columns, and at last we end the table tag using closing text of table. Here looks how it looks like. So here we can see that our table is look like something this. There is a product price, there are 3 rows and 2 columns. So the table tag is used to display data in rows and columns. Now summary. Container tags in HTML are vital for structuring and organizing your web page content. They provide logical sections, enable CSS JavaScript integration, and improve accessibility. That's all from this video. I hope you'll understand what we have learned in this video. Thank you and keep learning.